we are so glad that we found this villas and three pillar homes. We are incredibly happy with the process so far, and Shannon and Michael have been very great in walking us through and actually talking to us in the initial beginning about all our what are you looking for and what do you think that your needs would be in the house, and so every detail, every from the countertops to the flooring to everything, they walked us through all of the available options and what our needs are, and really made a nice effort to match up every of one of our requests and our needs. So I mean, the initial discussions were so positive that we, like, the same week we just said, okay, I will pay the deposit and sign up, because we are really liking what you guys are telling us and the options and everything. They showed us this little design studio that is there even in the villa, has been very helpful, because that's the first time we saw all the different options, and we liked everything, and they took us to once we honed in on a specific model. They Shannon took us drove us to their other model home in Carriage Farms, and it was a very beautifully built house, and we loved everything about it. And then we upgraded as we were looking at the house. Oh, I want this, I want that, and everything. And once we actually signed the initial contract and we went to the design studio at the Evans Farm, it was a wonderful experience. All the people were very knowledgeable, and they were like, oh, this is the tile you want, okay, this is the grout you need to select. And they were helping us, guiding us, walking us through each of our things. And if I'm over ambitious and say I want this whole thing, and then say, oh, that's going to cost you a very lot of money, don't do that, and let's bring something design specific. If you like that kind of a design, we'll build something like that. And they've been very helpful, very friendly, very knowledgeable. That is so that that initial interactions were wonderful.
I think I think the first thing that I would say is that the amount of selection that is part of the standard package itself is excellent. So you really, as someone looking to build a house, you really don't have to have a lot of additional expensive choices. The standard choices at different levels have been very good, and the whole process, as my wife has been saying, has been an extremely professional process, very well done.
And once we started building the house, it was like every week, Doug would send us, the updates to this week we are doing this. This week we finished this part of the work, and next week this is what is the projected work. And he really is. They put put a Gantt chart together and a process in place, and they have not deviated from it at all. And the way he keeps us updated, and if there is anything that is, when we often visit here, we live in Cincinnati, but we often visit here to Columbus to see my grandkids. And every time we come here, we want to see the progress on the house. And Doug has been just so wonderful in terms of, oh yeah, you needed the scones, right, so let's do that. And so he is very nice in terms of giving us all the options, the woodwork, the trim, and everything, and keeping us updated on all of it. I'm extremely happy with the process to date. Zero complaints, and wonderfully done. So big kudos to Three Pillar Homes, and I really enjoy actually building the house. This is our second house that we are building. The very first house was also a custom built house. So we are like, we love the fixtures and everything, and we have been really going through the whole process. And all of your contractors, every single one of them, the appliances, the light fixtures, and everybody has been on the dot and really walking us through all our options and making sure that we keep within our budget, and being very respectful and professional.
Yeah, we'll certainly recommend Three Pillars very highly to anybody who is trying to build a house in this area. And this is a beautiful neighborhood and surroundings too.